Hey, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest food and tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of meal kits with Home Chef, one of the most popular services in 2023. Let's see if it lives up to the hype and if it's worth your dinnertime dollars. Home Chef distinguishes itself with the most customizable recipes of any meal kit service, allowing you to swap out proteins or opt for plant-based alternatives. Their meal kits are known for being easy to execute, taking no more than 20 minutes of your time. To put Home Chef to the test, I cooked 2 weeks' worth of meals from scratch. While they did deliver on many of their promises, I found some of the recipes to be clunky and not worth the cost per serving, which ranges from $10 to $12, depending on your plan. Home Chef emerged as a leading meal kit delivery service with an emphasis on flexibility and customization. It was launched in 2013 and was acquired by Kroger in 2018, making their meal kits available in most Kroger stores and through mail-order subscription. Signing up is easy through their website or app, and a short quiz helps determine the best meal plan for you. You can choose the number of recipes per week and the servings you need, and the best part is that you can swap proteins in most recipes. Home Chef offers a variety of meals, from quick-fire dishes that take 15 minutes to more complex projects that can go up to 45 minutes. They even have oven-ready meals that require minimal effort. The recipes come with detailed instructions and a mobile app for easy access. On the positive side, Home Chef offers customization and is great for families with its larger serving options. However, some recipes felt a bit unrefined, and the cost per serving may not be worth it compared to other meal kit services like Blue Apron. Another concern is the excessive plastic waste in their packaging, which could be improved to be more eco-friendly. In conclusion, Home Chef is user-friendly and offers great customization options, making it perfect for those looking to learn to cook from scratch or lighten their meal planning load. However, the cost per serving may be a deciding factor for some. That wraps up our review of Home Chef Meal Kit Service. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking and bon appétit. See you in the next video.